On your phone, search for Play Store. If it's a new phone or you've never used Play before, you will require a Gmail email address to continue. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type WhatsApp. When it opens, click on the green Install button. You will see a circular timer rotating to indicate the app is downloading. Once it is finished, press the Open button, which will appear. On an iPhone, go to your App Store. This is the blue icon with a white A in the middle. If this is a new phone or you have never used the App Store before, you will require an Apple ID. In order to set this up, you will also need an email account. Click on the Search button. This is the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right of the screen. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar. When it opens, click on the Get icon or the cloud icon with the arrow pointing downward. The icon will appear as loading on your phone. Once it is finished, you can open it. When WhatsApp opens for the first time, you will be asked to read the privacy policy and the terms of service before clicking Agree and Continue. WhatsApp may ask to send you notifications. Simply click Allow. As WhatsApp operates off your phone number, you will be asked to confirm your number. It should have detected you are using an Irish phone, and Ireland will appear on the screen with the +353 prefix. Enter your mobile number without the first zero. So if your number is 085 1234 567, you simply add 85 123 4567. You will be asked to confirm your number. Then press Next or Done, whichever appears on your phone. This is generally located on the top or bottom right of your screen. Next, you will be asked to verify your phone number. You will receive a text message with a 6-digit code that you will need to enter. On some phones, it may detect the message and verify itself. To view the message, simply pull down your screen from the top and you will see the preview for the text message with the code. In doing this, you don't need to leave one screen in order to see the next. Congratulations, you are now officially on WhatsApp. You will see an Edit Profile screen where you can add your name. You will also have the option to add a profile photo if you wish, though it is not necessary. Should you decide to do so, simply click on the Add Photo circle at the top left. WhatsApp may ask you to access your camera or photo gallery. Click Allow. This will then launch straight into your camera to take a photo, or you can access your gallery on the left-hand side to choose an existing photograph. To start a chat, simply click on the little icon on the top right. It may be hard to figure out, but it looks like a pen and paper. Before you can start a chat on WhatsApp, you will see a pop-up to allow access to your contacts. Again, you will need to allow this. Once you do, you will see all your contacts in alphabetical order. Simply select the contact or use the search button at the top to search for the person you are looking for. If your screen looks slightly different to the previous one shown, you may be using an Android and not an iPhone. On an Android phone, such as a Samsung or similar, you will see a green icon in the bottom right. You simply click on this icon and select your contact. To send a message to your contact, you have a few options. When you click on Type your message, your keyboard will appear to enable you to type. You can then click on the green arrow to send the message. Another option to send a message to your contact is to again click on Type your message and your keyboard will appear. You will see a microphone icon to the top of the keyboard, or if you are using an iPhone, the icon will be on the bottom right. Click on this to enable speech to text. Simply talk to the phone and it will appear as text in the message field above. Once you are finished speaking, the green arrow will appear to the right of the message. Simply press this arrow to send. To send a voice message to your contact, hold your finger on the green microphone to the right of the message field and record your message. When you release your finger, the voice message will send. If you would like to phone someone using WhatsApp, simply go to the contact as you did before, click on the phone icon at the top of your screen, and it will ring your contact. If you would like to video call someone, again go to your contact, click on the video camera icon at the top of the screen. When you do this, it will automatically launch into your camera, so you will see yourself looking back. It will then start to ring your contact. Once they have accepted the video call, you will both be able to see each other face to face.